Mabuhay to Manila, where smiles greet you with open arms. The Philippines, a land of breathtaking beauty and vibrant culture, welcomes you with open arms. Manila, its bustling capital, is no exception. The warmth of the Filipino people is legendary. Filipinos are known for their hospitality, their genuine smiles, and their eagerness to help. As a gay traveler, you'll find Manila to be a breath of fresh air. The city embraces diversity and inclusivity. You can be yourself here, openly and proudly. Manila offers a vibrant and welcoming environment for LGBTQ+ travelers. You'll find that acceptance is the norm here. Manila is a city that pulsates with life. It's a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and experiences. From the moment you arrive, you'll be swept away by the city's infectious energy. Finding your tribe. Gay-friendly havens and nights of revelry. Manila understands the need for a comfortable and welcoming haven. Luckily, the city boasts a variety of gay-friendly hotels where you can relax and be yourself. One such gem is the Z Hostel Rooftop in Makati. This trendy hostel offers stunning views of the city skyline. It's a great place to meet fellow travelers and make new friends. Another great option is the Love D Makati. This stylish hotel is known for its vibrant atmosphere and its central location in the heart of Makati's nightlife. The gay nightlife in Manila is legendary, with a wide array of bars and clubs catering to the LGBTQ+ community. One popular spot is O Bar in Makati, known for its strong cocktails and lively atmosphere. Painting the town rainbow from pride parades to film festivals. Manila's LGBTQ+ community is a vibrant and active force in the city. Throughout the year, Manila hosts a variety of exciting events that celebrate diversity and inclusivity. One of the biggest events is the Metro Manila Pride March. This annual event draws thousands of participants and supporters. It's a colorful and joyous celebration of LGBTQ+ rights and visibility. Another notable event is the White Party Manila, a massive circuit party attracting partygoers from all over the world. For film enthusiasts, the Quezon City International Pink Film Festival is a must-attend event. This annual film festival showcases LGBTQ+ themed films from around the globe. These events are a testament to Manila's commitment to inclusivity and acceptance. Section 4. Beyond the city limits, unveiling Manila's hidden gems. While Manila's nightlife is certainly a highlight, the city also offers a plethora of cultural and historical attractions that are well worth exploring. Step back in time and explore the cobblestone streets of Intramuros, the city's historic walled city. Here you'll find centuries-old churches, forts, and museums that offer a glimpse into Manila's rich past. For a taste of local life, head to Binondo, the world's oldest Chinatown. Explore its bustling streets, sample delicious street food, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. No trip to Manila is complete without a visit to Rizal Park, a sprawling park named after the country's national hero, Jose Rizal. Section 5. Your ultimate guide to conquering Manila. Tips and tricks. Navigating a new city can be daunting, but with a few handy tips, you'll be exploring Manila like a pro in no time. The local currency is the Philippine peso, or PHP. When it comes to transportation, taxis and ride-hailing services like Grab are widely available and relatively affordable. English is widely spoken in Manila, making communication a breeze. Filipinos are generally warm and friendly people, so don't hesitate to ask for directions or recommendations. Manila is generally a safe city, but it's always wise to exercise caution, especially at night. With these practical tips in mind, you're all set to embark on an unforgettable adventure in Manila.